I lie awake, thinking days when I never knew a love like this. Now I'm too far away to rewrite the page.
Hey, what's up?
Yo, Ace, where the hell have you been? I've been getting cooked in these markets.
Man, you know I'm working on something.
Is
It's coming
Concord
soon.
back? Is Concord back? Please tell me.
Nah, it's under construction. I told you, Ace the Builder's building. You just gotta be patient and wait.
All right, you gotta update me.
Yeah, for sure. I'll check you soon.
Hey, hey, I gotta cut to the chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face, just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Hey, legends don't die anyway. I was working on a play today. Body bags covered away. I paved, zipped up like a bathing ape. How many of us then came and stayed? Not too many. I've been staying awake to get it and get right on every mistake. I give them a bite, they taking a plate. It's all been a feeling that I couldn't shake.
Production? Whoa, why JJ look like that? JJ looks like booty cheeks. He looks like booty cheeks. Anyways, for anyone on stream, I'm just doing a little breakdown. Welcome in. Welcome to day 2 in Technicality and to our medium launch. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys are watching on the socials, as you guys can see, we went from Concord, right, which was an absolute dream. What do you think, JJ?
It was wild. Concord honestly doesn't even feel like it happened. Like,
No.
when I think back
It
to
was
it,
a fever dream.
I was like, oh yeah, that was something that happened in my life.
Yeah, that was a fever dream, and Prop Hub is only going to be better, especially with it being 100% free daily streams. If you guys were not here yesterday and you guys are wondering who the heck is this JJ character, let me give you guys a little bit of insight as to what we do here at Concord. Wow. we do here at Prop Hub.
That was crazy. That was
That
a
was
crazy slip.
crazy.
I didn't even notice that.
That was crazy. What we do here at Prop Hub, if you guys were not here yesterday, let me break that down for you. Okay. So JJ is here to represent you guys. Okay. He's super knowledgeable inside of the markets. I've known him for over 5 years now, back when we were trading the first Discords of finance ever. Right? We're talking X Trade, Stock VIP, Wise Guys, so on and so forth. The list continues. I was a part of 1,000 servers plus, and a lot of you guys have known me from all of these collections of servers. JJ is here to represent you guys because he is a bundle of knowledge who hasn't taken trading seriously yet, right? He's doing some side gigs. He was at school. He was working for Max as a videographer, and now he's here to take it 100% seriously. Oh, sorry, editor. Right? So I'm going to be teaching him along the way, alongside with you guys and the group coaching that is inside of Premium. And we're going to take him from just knowledgeable all the way through to payout. So you guys get to see someone who's a lot more experienced, right? So myself, who's been super vetted within this space, has shown you guys multiple times all my payouts, so on and so forth. And then plus you guys get JJ, where we want to be the most transparent, consistent, and what am I trying to say, JJ? Give them a little something.
Okay, I would say the number one most important thing is transparency. Because me personally, I would rather like know 100% for sure that what I'm watching is like actually real and there isn't like some secret suspicious things going on behind the scenes to make them look better and they're hiding things over here and boosting things over here and they just don't talk about it. I don't like that. I would actually much rather have somebody who's like real, who shows like, yeah, I took a loss on this. That's fine. Guess what? There's no such thing as a 100% win rate. And I'd rather see things like that and see the transparency and be like, okay, you know what? I can actually trust this person. So that's basically what Prop Hub's like main number one goal is. And then of course to have fun, chill out, hit some bangers, and yeah, I'm up here to basically be the example. And once I get a payout, you guys have absolutely no excuse whatsoever because I'm here with you. So you should be able to do it just like I could, or I'm going to.
You know what? Can I start some shit? Let me stir the pot on a Wednesday morning. Guys, I started off with no energy and something just fueled the fire in me. Someone said the echo go crazy right now. What's echoing? Who's echoing? Oh, you probably have my stream on volume. Is that what's going on? You probably have my stream on volume. Or
That's actually what it was. I just muted your stream and now
it
there's
sounds
no
so
echo.
much better. Yeah, so that's on client side. So you are goofy. Anyways, let me fuel that fire. Most of your favorite influencers that you follow on socials have been posting affiliation monies as if it is coming from real trading. I will call them out right now. And I
didn't know we were doing this early.
I'm fueled.
I didn't think this
I'm
was
on
happening.
no sleep, guys, and I'm ready to just call out the whole industry. I'm sick and tired of seeing people post, look how much money I made. Look at me flex my cars. Look at this Lambo. Look at this Rari. No, yo, you know what? No risk, no Rari. Shut the up with your freaking affiliation monies, okay? That's enough. Show me that you made it from real trading. Show me the actual trade certificates from every single prop that you say that you're affiliated with. Otherwise, shut your mouth. Slap some tape on that mouth and shut your lips. Big lips looking ass. Anyways.
That was crazy. I didn't think we were going to do that already. We talked about that and I was like, all right, maybe we should like chill out in the beginning. Don't stir the pot yet.
I like big lips. Hey, I didn't say any names, but I just want to be, again, we're here to be 100% transparent, right? I need people to know that you have to vet who you're actually influenced by.
Yeah, screenshots, honestly, like, they don't mean much, really. Like, they actually don't.
People could say everything, right? They could be like, I made $1 million. And if they could sell you really nice on the fact that they made $1 million, they don't actually have to make $1 million. They just have to sell you on it. Therefore, we just made a reel on this. It's not that they were trading to make money. It's that they're trading to make you a customer. Whether if it's for their server and they're pushing you behind a paywall, or for you to keep using their affiliation code because you look up to them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's a lot of traders out there that show and say, "Yay, look how much money I'm making trading," and high majority of that money is not from trading, like, at all. A lot of them actually don't even make money trading.
I have a
Some of them have
question
been
for you.
caught in the past
I
too.
have a really big question for a lot of you guys. If your traders that you've been following are so good, where are their names on the leaderboards? Because how are they saying they made $100,000, but I don't see your name on the leaderboard?
And I promise you if they did, they would screenshot that leaderboard and send it out.
And this is why I respect, and I'll say a name. I will give flowers where flowers are due. This is why I give huge shout outs to Rake Trades.
Oh,
Rake
yeah.
Trades, I don't know if you're watching this. I don't know if you'll ever watch this, right? I know we follow each other on socials, but massive shout out to you for being a real trader, for showing up in face, even with PW, and making money live with him. I
Yeah.
respect that shit so much.
Yeah, I like Rick.
Everyone
Rick's
else,
dope.
go kick rocks.
Alright, there we go.
All right, there we go. We got 4 minutes into the market. I was giving you guys a breakdown of my levels and what I wrote for the premium. So very, very quick. I want us to be above this Globex high, right? Which currently sits at 235.75. And that also is going to push us into the higher range, all the way to our previous month value area high and our previous week high. That is also the top of that order block that I was showing you guys before I went on that whole rant. If we go below, right? If we're looking short, I want to see us positions below the CE, below our Globex low, which also positions us below our monthly anchored VWAP and our structure high from previous session. Those are the easiest levels I could possibly give you guys based on multiple time frame analysis. So going from the 8 hour and then working all the way down to what our current session is saying. That's all trading needs to be, especially in pre-market. Make trading simple. It makes your life simple.
Keep
Don't
it simple.
overcomplicate it.
Honestly, the number one thing people do that really screws them over is trying to overanalyze and overcomplicate. And I know that for myself too. I used to do it a lot where every single loss you take, listen, a lot of times you can have the most perfect analysis, most perfect back tested TA ever. Sometimes the trade won't work. That doesn't mean you have to go now searching, trying to figure out why it didn't work. Sometimes it just doesn't work. Don't overanalyze too much. Obviously, do your due diligence, do your research, try to learn, but don't get into analysis paralysis and then you'll start hesitating and making bad decisions. Just keep it simple.
It's simple, stupid. Keep it simple, stupid. Anyways, guys, we have 2 minutes until the market. And as you guys can see, we are currently testing those levels I said from our Globex high. So that is what we are looking at on NQ. I was telling the premium members today, actually, Jay, that for the option side, because your boy is back with options. And I know I said that during the soft launch, but I need to repeat it again for our medium launch. It's a short week. We got less volume, less traders. I have to tell them again.
Tell them again.
Ace is back to trading options.
Options.
That's what I'm saying, baby. So we're going to take a different approach. There are still going to be some day trades, but it is going to be primarily swing focused from this point on. Therefore, I can cater to the people who work a 9 to 5, who can't be actively watching the charts nonstop, especially since we're on these live streams trading futures. I can't balance everything under the sun.
Yeah.
So what we're going to be doing as well is weekly breakdowns of what tickers I'm watching, what levels we're watching, what are the confluences, the full rundown with charts, what tickers, looking at my mega cap stocks, so on and so forth.
Full transparency.
Full transparency. Guys, we are kicking it already. We're 64 deep already on the free stream inside of Discord. If you guys are on the socials, make sure to bring yourself over to the Discord to rent some free giveaways today and just be a part of the community. If you guys are new here, make sure to turn on the server tag. It is the only way to win a giveaway. You have to be a part of the community and you have to have the server tag on. Rams, drop the link on socials where everyone can find the Discord community and join us. Here is our open, guys. Ring a ding ding. And let's get to trading. Everyone trade safe. And let's get to it.
Here we go.
What are you looking at today for our levels, John?
Honestly, I like longs. personally.
Yep. As long as I am positioned above that 237, which it is currently testing, I will be happy. Okay, not bad. I'm going to position very, very lightly. It's super early. That's our just open candle, guys. And I'm going to keep SL right below that block. So sitting at 224, which could get tapped right here, is a super early entry. 224, 222. Also, John,
Yo,
isn't it insane that every single person who found the soft launch yesterday hit their PDPT? Every single person, guys, was making money. It was insane.
yeah, it was wild.
Insane.
It was complete fluke for them to find us too.
It was literally by luck. Like, we don't know how they found us. They just did. So it's
Never-
still trading. Yeah. There's still our
We gotta
2-minute
break
candle.
that 250.
That's what we're looking for. A break of that 250 be crucial and will help us position higher. As you guys can see from this session right here, last Thursday, this is the top of that block. So if we were to fail, it would make complete sense. However, I'm looking for an actual break as we have a full market structure shift. As you guys can see right there, we just tested my entry and we're just chilling for now. Again, super early entry. What we got room all the way into that 310, which is the high of Thursday as well. And I gave you guys the levels as you guys can see. So 294, we have that 300 psych, and then all the way to the top of that channel at 358. There we are, guys, with some green on the board.
There we go.
Moving through.
Nice.
Do I need to
push.
say any more,
Nice
bro? Move that
push.
SL up, guys.
Who
You guys
took
are
that?
big, chilling. There's already 20 points for my entry. I already know everyone got better entries than me. You guys just do what you guys do. And I'm going
like
to
that?
let this play just cook a little bit.
Who like that? What's your TP? Where are you looking to go?
So I just said those levels. I don't know if you were listening, John, but the first TP is approaching right at, we have our 300, but I want to see, 350 cracked. That brings us to 84. 84, John. 84. Oh, and it's coming. And I did get tapped right below break even, which is fine.
I have a better entry, so I'm still in this.
That's completely
I'm
fair.
BE at 36.
I want to see if I can position back in.
Also, tomorrow's bank holiday, right? Today's Wednesday.
That is correct.
Tomorrow's bank holiday, and Friday. So tomorrow and Friday are half days, basically. So don't be too surprised if PA is a little weird.
Positioning back in, guys. Again, same SL. And we'll see where we go from here. Still lightly positioned. Also, you guys can see on production screen, my full P&L is live. So you guys know there is no cap around here. You guys can fully see whenever I do enter into a position. There's no hiding. We don't hide. We don't
need to.
we
hide.
don't need no fluff. We are the most transparent, guys. I really like that wick that's coming in. We still need to be positioned above 250. Anything back below 37 and a close underneath that 37, not a fan of at all. So just taking it minute by minute right now. Still super early into the market and just looking for our reactions. It is above my level. That makes me happy. It's holding and going to position one more con. Still super light. Only 2 minis. That is light for me, guys.
All right.
Trade based off your account size. I just got back. Are we long or short? I am currently long as long as it holds above that 37. It keeps testing it, euro, but looking decent right now. Still holding that 40. It's testing above that 50.
Yeah, I'd want to see a push here pretty soon.
And we are still structure high, currently above our Globex high, which is what I was looking for.
Zulu with $911. Nice.
W.
Easy
I know
dub.
some people already took that 20-point win. I trailed very little. I was actually underneath BE to let it breathe underneath that 50. And unfortunately, it did take me, but it did go all the way back down to 28. So nice little protective SL there. There we go again, guys. W's
Here
on
we
the
go.
board. Another 10 points. Coming back to BE, we are positioned above that 50 as it's testing.
I
And
do
let's
like that
see where
close
we go
above.
from
You just gotta
here. I'm
hold.
currently under. Yeah, it needs to hold that 50. Boom, 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 boom. I like along to 276. I was 284, but obviously with dynamic R, hey, that could easily be my level too, Danny. Where are you pulling that number from? Tomato for real.
How many of you did
258.
take early? I'm
Oh
just
yeah,
curious.
274. I see exactly where you got that level. That's still from our Thursday session close. So honestly, 274, it was at 271 price
Yeah.
off that initial push. It was super quick. It was literally like a minute. You're not that conservative. I mean, 20 points is 20 points.
Or 285. Kind of waiting here.
Yep.
Waiting on that. Waiting on that.
So, John, give them a little analysis about your knowledge. Tell them how you trade, what you look for in a chart, so on and so forth.
What do I trade and what do I look for in the charts?
I get stopped out here, by the way, guys. Let's
Oh,
see.
yeah, hold on. Let me wait for this, and then I'll give the breakdown.
There it is. And about to get tapped.
And that's okay.
And just got tapped. Here we go. We are currently trading underneath it. And we are underneath our 200 big slide. Wow. Yeah.
That was a dumpy right there.
That was a good SL, guys, to have. As you guys can see, as soon as she tapped us, straight dumped. And
Yeah, saved us like 30 points.
next levels. I mean, I don't really have levels until pretty deep. We do have room all the way until 141, which is that CE. And then our structure brings us to 177. So still 30-ish points. Wick back above 200 right now. So we are getting some volatility. We do have 7 minutes until our orb is established as well, if you guys are any orb traders. Like how it's testing our open range. Could see a continuation on a short back below 200. You shall see.
Held 200 there.
Yeah. Currently trading 2 accounts, guys. Top One Futures and Top Step. We are not affiliated with Top Step, but your boy loves Top Step, and I am transparent. Therefore, I shall tell you guys what I do like.
Who is affiliated with Top Step?
No one.
There you go. Absolutely nobody.
The people on Top Step TV.
Oh yeah, so about my trading. So for me, I like to keep it like pretty simple. Back in the day, I basically studied like every single strategy that there is. But right now, all I basically look at is just structure. I like my basing candles. I keep an eye on like certain gaps, levels, VWAP, previous days. A lot of similar stuff to Ace that I took from him. I like stole it from behind him from watching his monitor a lot of
Ayo.
times. But yeah, I like to keep it super simple. And the more complicated I made it, the worse I did, and the more hard it was to actually read the market. Yeah, just price action, structure.
Just tested that
levels.
237 again, pre-market, by the way, guys. So we'll see if that is just a retest and then another dump into a continuation of a dump and to fill in that gap, or if it is a test and a break where we actually can see that structure high that I thought we were going to see. Again, we got to take the market
What's up,
as what it
Fawaz?
is. We can't just,
You can just like invent stuff to do.
yeah, we're not. we
That's
don't
an
have
issue a lot of
magic 8
people
ball.
do too, is forcing trades. And people think forcing trades means just randomly entering. No. Like you don't have to enter every single thing that you see just because you see something.
Oh yeah, watch
Sometimes you
that.
just gotta wait.
Just joking. Joking.
Today news. What is news today? I mean, I just see
Excuse
red. I only
me.
have red and orange folder on. That was 8:30.
It is Black Friday on Friday, guys. Therefore, a lot of companies are running promos. If you guys were curious about any promos going on, make sure to go inside of the server and go over to partner promotions. You guys will be able to see every single prop that we are affiliated with, basically all the best ones, and all of their discounts if you guys use code PHUB, code PHUB. Right now, my favorite one, John, is going to be the straight to funded by Top One Futures. They are currently
Loaded.
running a straight to funded for 57.5% off. Do you know how unheard of that is?
I've actually never seen that before, to be honest. You're not gonna get a better.
You can
deal
start to
than
get
that.
paid from day one on these accounts because it is a straight to funded. There is no eval. And you can get a 150K account for $400 and make over 8x your return.
Yeah.
8x.
There's no better risk to reward than that.
You pay 400 and you can make 35. Wild.
And you don't have to go through an eval. Isn't that amazing?
Wild.
How many people here have passed an eval and you're like, yeah, I'm on my funded, and then day one gone.
Production, you want to raise your hand?
Never mind.
He's like, wait, what? He removes his full headset, guys. We're just talking shit about him.
I didn't say any
He's just trying to
names.
manage.
Oh, whoa, hold on. I didn't say any
He's trying to
names.
manage our stream, and we're just here talking shit about him. Here we are again, guys, underneath that 200 testing. And let's see if we hold below or if we're just going to keep auctioning sideways here. Again, we're staying a little patient. We did take a red. First trade at break even did pop 20 points. I trailed like poo-poo. It is what it is. But now we are currently sitting in drawdown of 1,400.
I mean, hey, some people did take that dub. Though.
Production's
They
making
scaled
fun of me,
early.
guys. Production just made fun of me. That is crazy. He's like, yo, 20 points in this market. It's just going like this. Yo, that means it's volatile. Your 20 points is basically one candle. You're actually a trash trader.
No, I'm saying.
Ah, he's saying I
top
didn't
one is
trade
the
like
prop to go,
poo-poo.
yes,
I gave it
100%.
wiggle room, and it was reasonable trading. I agree. I personally agree. I'm not just gonna see green, take green. You know what I mean?
You know, you got to follow your rules.
I followed my
But
rules.
yeah, Caitlin, top one for sure is the prop to go right now, especially with that sale. There isn't really a better deal out there right now for that straight to funded, it's instant funded 50K.
It also really depends. And again, here's on the transparency. Like, we're not just trying to sell you guys just because they're running a sale and we're affiliated with them. It all depends on your style of trading.
Mhm.
If you guys are scalpers and you guys like to move super quick, right? Apex might be the move for you. You can leverage 20 accounts, John. 20 accounts.
Nobody else does that,
300
right?
Ks. They have up to 300K. And
Yeah.
I've seen people pull out million. KJ himself has pulled out just shy of $1 million.
And for those of you who don't know KJ, that's one of Ace's students.
I wouldn't
From
say
back in the day.
students, but like a good colleague.
mean,
A good colleague. We
alright.
taught each other. I'm not going to take
Proof.
credit. If he
Proof.
watches this, I love you, KJ. We worked together and we both made the leaderboards together.
What a flex. You and your boy making the leaderboard together.
Hey, you got to surround yourself around the best to be the best. Otherwise, you can't be taking advice from people with $20 mentalities.
Yeah, no.
I posted it on my story just recently, and it's actually super funny. I think a lot of people are so affected by what other people have to say, and they're still working a 9 to 5. They're still
Yeah.
making minimum wage or freaking slaving away for $30 an hour when you have bigger dreams. So why are you listening to someone who's living the average life when really you could be way more successful if you just abided by your own rules and follow the game plan that you actually have designated for yourself? Just saying. Just saying. You guys want to talk risk no Rari? No risk, no Rari? There it is right there. Okay. It's not going to come from these trading influencers trying to sell you a pipe dream.
Yeah. Oh, look at Party. This guy definitely on Apex.
Party, welcome in, baby. Welcome in. Everyone in here once again. Welcome in. Welcome to Prop Hub. Today is our medium launch. We're saying medium launch because I still, John, did not post on socials that we were live right at this moment.
Yeah.
So if you guys are finding us, you guys have seen a story that I said we were going to go live, but I didn't post it live. Huh? Or you guys saw the live on socials. So if you guys made it here to the actual Discord server, guess what? You guys are an absolute OG, and we are kicking it already with 80 members, John. 80 members inside of the Discord on a medium launch.
On a medium launch. Are we considering today day 2 officially? I mean,
Day
it's
2?
technically 3.
Hey, you know what I'm calling it? I'm calling it a soft chub.
Okay. I like that. Wait, I don't like that. Wait, what?
Wait.
All right, so guys, we're testing
clip that.
250. Guys, we're testing
Clip that.
250.
Why did he
here.
just say
Yo,
I like that
what?
on a
Sorry.
chub?
Yo, I can't hear you. My headphones are bugged. So we're testing 250 right now. We're about to close above. I'm actually liking it.
Guys, he likes the chub, and that is wild. We are above 250, like John said. These are the levels I was watching. I do like a position, but I do want a full close above. Otherwise, my students are just going to be like, yo, this guy doesn't even abide by his 2-candle close. And then I look like a goofy.
We'll close above what?
I want the full structure now. I want above 271. Above 271 still brings me all the way up to potentials of 360. Why would I scrape for a $20 potential move and then get stopped out again when I can wait for a full confirmation?
360 seems...
The 2-candle close Amar taught you? That's crazy work. That's crazy work. The Walmart ass ace. Do you guys remember that? Euro, you were dying of laughter when that first came out. Who is this Walmart version of ace? That shit was so funny. I love Amar. Shout out Amar. It still keeps me up at night. We do love Amar over here. One of my students, an absolute GOAT, currently doing a small account challenge. Hey, we don't hide around here. We're completely transparent. We're not promoting them, but Amar is a GOAT. I will say that. And he is my direct student.
And remember back in Concord when the entire server was basically just the same name, but variations of ace?
I still have that screenshot.
You do?
Yeah. I still have that screenshot. Banger. Post it right here, production. Boom.
Damn, I don't think he has that on deck ready.
No, that one's gonna be a post-production. That's a post-production. That's you.
Oh, that's me. All right, I understand.
All right, put a marker on that, Rams. We need a stream clip of that.
We were retesting 250 again, see if we can actually hold. Realistically, bare minimum, I actually want to close above 261, like at the earliest.
Astro. By the way, Vinny was up until like 4 a.m. last night playing some game. So he might not actually be here this morning. Therefore, I'm going to need you to run the giveaway inside of the giveaway channel. Are you able to do that for me, big boss?
Arc Raiders.
Here, let me tell you what he was playing. He was playing...
I think I know what he was playing.
Civ 3,
yeah, he was playing
or Civ 6.
Civ 6.
What is that?
Civilization 6. It's like a strategy game. And like one game can take like 5-6 hours.
That's insane.
Yeah.
He was grinding with us all yesterday, guys. We were on the calls, guys. We're trying to make sure that this is the best server for you guys. If you guys were interested in premium, we do offer group coaching. What that includes is making sure that you guys get educational content. That way you guys can do this yourself, becoming self-sufficient traders. The way that we want to guide. Whoa, I stole the word. The way that we want to run Prop Hub is through guidance as opposed to just signals. Yeah, sure, signals are cool. That's what you guys want, right? We're still going to feed into that. But at the end of the day, I want to make sure that we can guide you towards success, not just temporarily, but for the future run, okay? That's why I brought JJ over here as my co-host. That way he can actually show you the way that I guide him from point A, right, of just starting off and super knowledgeable, all the way to that payout.
Tell them about the post-stream breakdowns for premium. We'll probably start that though on our hard launch, right?
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
So we are also going to be doing daily breakdowns. So every single trade that we take on stream will be explained to the T as to why I took it. So we're not like every other group where they're just like, enter here, exit here, enter here, exit here. No explanation.
Yeah.
We're going to give a full breakdown as to why we entered. What was our confluence? Was that an A+ setup? Did I screw up as an alerter? Again, keeping it 100% transparent for the viewers.
And that's a huge part of transparency where all these all these other traders
There we are,
pretend.
guys. We are currently above. We are currently above. That's where I want to be positioned. I am now in. We could go for a little retest. But as of right now, we're in. I'll mark it off on screen for y'all. Yeah, there's the retest. Why you retest on me like that?
Like that, like that?
Like that, like that. I actually positioned too hard.
Where do you like an SL?
My SL has to be below that 50. I needed to test and breathe it. So I would say like 43 is a safe level to be working with. This is why you have to be able to size appropriately based on your account size, guys.
$275.
Is that your entry? 275?
No. Oh, actually, it's worse than that. No, I was just looking at the level.
Oh,
275.
there we go. Tapped again. I did say it was going to retest. Rough.
It's a heavy retest right there.
Rough.
Okay.
Okay. We
It
are
is
still
what it is.
chopping. It is what it is. We tried to play the breakout, didn't catch it, and no continuation move for me. We are currently red on this account, and I actually might pause it on this account. I don't want it to bleed anymore. That was my second trade, correct? I took one BE,
Oh, yeah.
one red. So technically it's my third. I can give myself one more trade and then I lock it out.
One more.
Let me make sure I'm inside of my risk settings and I put that. That way we can trade safely. And liquidate and block save. All right. Still chopping up, guys. Still chopping up.
Hey, losses are a part of trading. It is what it is.
I will say.
Hmm.
Maybe I won't say.
All right, don't say it. Did you guys like that? He baited you. I mean, he baited me too.
Remember, everyone, you can trade micros as well. Get on my micro pedestal and scream it from the mountains. 1,000%.
Euro is like micro king. He loves micros.
And guys, he takes payouts weekly. This guy, he literally just took a payout yesterday from Tradeify. If anyone's interested in getting some Tradeifys, Rams, what's their current code? It is 40% off. They are currently doing 40% off on their 50, 25, and 50K straight to funded. Growth was everything. And then on their straight to funded, it is the 25 and 50K. If you guys use code PHUB, you guys can test them out as well. Another GOAT when it comes to straight to funded accounts. A lot of people do like the growths with them. Rams likes the growths. It's a lot more cost. It's a lot more cost effective if you guys are okay with doing challenges. And then if not, if you guys just want to make the money starting day one, like I did, I just go straight to funded, pay a little bit more upfront. But hey, you guys don't have to get into the bad habits of full porting and eval just to get them passed. But hey, I digress.
Who here is new to props? I'm actually curious. Is anybody here like completely new to props? Everybody been in the prop game?
Put a poll out again. We did a poll yesterday. I think we should do a poll again today. Production, I'm going to flip my tab right now. So I am currently on my top steps, guys. So you guys can see I am currently green 1,124. Currently using one micro, or one mini. Imagine one micro. Sheesh.
About 1 million points.
Yeah, for real. And if this goes to 212 right here, that will be a very interesting level with me with structure. And then plus it gets to test our open candle at 209. So basically 212 to 209. I want to see how that reacts. And that'll kind of dictate whether or not the short is going to happen or the long is if we can get that bottom wick all the way back up. If I could see a bottom wick from 209 all the way up to 230, that'd be very interesting.
209 to 230.
Hey, it could
Ooh.
in this market, like
I
Rhymes was saying,
It's true.
could happen very easily. Just broke 209, so we are below our open candle and testing underneath 200 once again. The shorts are shorting, but then she keeps popping all the way back up. Guys, we are inside of an 80-point range with no continuation moves with structure high or structure low. So just be careful.
Mhm.
This is chop, especially if you guys go on a
25,
3-minute.
200
We could take that move off of 200 as well, which still testing underneath. I would say the safe move is above 210 if you guys do want to play the 200 psych. 210, 215.
The markets close early tomorrow. They're not fully closed, right? Tomorrow?
There it is, guys, off of that 200. It is still underneath the open close or just the open, the day open. And there it is at 220. Price is moving very interesting. That in 3 minutes from Mike. Markets close tomorrow also. I don't like trading around holidays. Yeah. Volume is going to get whack tomorrow. Not only that, volatility is kind of just a chalk up. Sometimes it could be crazy volatile with low volume, as you guys can see in Globex and in pre-markets, if you guys trade options. Or it could just be non-existent at all with zero volatility, zero volume, right? So you never know what you're going to get trading around the holidays, especially with days off. I personally just say stay away. Why risk your accounts just for an extra day of potential green, right? I think there's more risk on the table than there is potential benefit. So I would say lock your accounts. Literally, if you guys are still on Project X, anyone that utilizes Project X, yes, they are going away. But if you still utilize Project X, you guys can actually lock out for multiple days. Fun fact.
Oh, you could do multiple days?
Man, I'll lock your account for a month. Guys, imagine one day John just comes into office, his account is locked for a month.
Oh man, that'd be pretty messed up. Okay, when you go take a piss during stream, I'll just full port your account.
Whoa, that's crazy. And that's when Rams gets all your shares.
Rich said, not new to props, but have never passed an eval. Well, that's gonna change. We'll change that.
There we go, guys. There's a short, absolute gorgeous move. Again, potentials for an actual move. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
Not letting you enter? What happened? Oh, that happened to me yesterday. That happened to me yesterday.
Is it just going to randomly put me
Yeah,
in a
yeah,
position?
yeah. Remember I was
So
telling
it's
you.
just going to stop me out?
How many times did you click it?
Like 3 times.
Because that remember
'Cause
yesterday?
I could be full ported. Remember what happened with me on my account?
Yeah. Yeah, that happened. Okay, so basically, guys, what's happening is this happened to me yesterday too. I was in with some cons and I was trying to add more and I was clicking it and it wasn't
Oh,
adding
look,
me.
other people are experiencing it too. I can't enter.
Yeah, it's Project X.
What happened here? Yeah. We're getting, guys, I did call out a short. It was right at that 200, dropped 40 points. I'm clicking enter. It won't put me inside of a position. Currently sliding under 150. And I can't enter my position. Project X, what's up? We're beefing. We are beefing right now.
It still didn't fill you?
No, it's going to fill me and then it's going to take
Yeah.
all my profits. You know what? I'm actually going to lock my account so that they can't do anything. It won't even
It's not
lock
even
out.
locking. It's not
It
even
won't.
locking.
It literally says user API disconnected. Attempt to reconnect. Guys, I am not joking right now. We are currently green on my top steps, and we are experiencing this issue live. We are experiencing it live. I'm showing it on screen right now. Okay, it literally says API disconnected, attempting to reconnect, and it's not working. Guys, I tried to enter this position multiple times at 200. You guys have heard me say this multiple times.
Yeah,
At
yeah.
200, I was waiting for that.
Yo, I'm in. So do you want to continue your TA real quick?
Wait, is it only Top Step, David?
It might
Oh,
be.
wait. Everyone's showing it. User API, attempt to reconnect. Whoa. Okay, it's saying 3NQ failed. Please try again.
Oh, okay, so it didn't fill you. See, for me, it did fill me, but it was like 5 minutes later. I was like, way
Did you
heavier
guys
than I
get that
wanted to
same
be.
message, Euro and Volcano, who also posted the user API? Man, what a good short, too. I was patient. I was waiting.
Yeah.
You know,
Did
I'm
anybody
I'm
catch
in
that?
drawdown, so I'm being extra patient, waiting for the 8A plus setup. We get the A+ setup, and guess what?
Top Step
Got
Discord all
murked. I
confirming.
got murked.
Damn, they cooked. They cooked it. Wait, was anybody here able to enter that short or no? Did everyone just get cooked?
Did you make some money?
My live let me enter. That makes sense. No, I got tapped at BE. Also, it filled me super late. It was like
Here it is
delayed.
off of 150, guys. We could see a fat bounce off of here because it did test that bottom block. So as you guys can see right here, right where that CE is, I said this morning, and I wrote it in my write-up that this was a huge level for a potential bounce. And here it is already, 30 points, 40 points. Still pushing. Massive, guys.
Big bounce.
If you guys want all my write-ups for what we are looking at throughout the day, make sure to join Premium. And we can even give full breakdowns for every single trade that we take.
Cap said Tradeovate. Let's go.
Also, if you guys use code BFPH, you guys can get 20% forever on Premium. If you guys are also a prior student, if you are a prior student and have been supporting me for a long time now, make sure to open up a ticket. You will need proof that you were a prior student.
Yeah.
Right? But if you guys were a prior student, make sure to open up a ticket, and we are actually going to hook you up. We can't say with what. It's only for the students. But we will hook you guys up. Guys, there's 60 points. Literally called out the actual move down and then called the bounce, and I can't enter.
And couldn't get filled on the actual move down.
The only thing that filled me was Top Step because I got rammed.
Yeah. I'm like scared to enter because I don't want it to like hook me.
Ace, I need an actual ticket. Yes, OG. I know you're a student, so I can confirm myself, but you still need to open up a ticket. That way they can get you settled. Who do you consider a prior student? If you were in any MMs in the previous server, especially.
That makes sense.
I need another 3.5K on Tradeify accounts. W, King Caps, W. And there's that retest of 200 for a slide back down. Oh my goodness. Oh my. It has to be a part of the MM though, so not just a member. Also, we are going to keep it transparent. I said it yesterday. I said it the day prior. And it was a bad look on me. Okay. It was a bad look on me, John. It was a bad look on me, audience. And this is why I have to make it known. I wanted to communicate with every single person that is in here, every single person that is on socials, every single one of my students. And I was not allowed to. Okay. I was under contract still.
Actually not allowed.
Yeah. So I wasn't posting on socials. I couldn't write in channels. I couldn't go live. I couldn't do anything essentially. Right. Because rightfully so, they need to protect their back end in case of poaching. I am obviously a very upstanding person. I believe I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't go in my channel and say, hey, everyone move over to this server.
We were literally counting the days. Like I was like, wait, when is it again that we can actually start talking about this?
Yeah. Like John, he is massive in terms of who handles my socials now. And so he wanted to start promoting right away, but I was staying true to the actual contract and to the actual what's actually right.
Yeah.
What should I actually do that is
Like, the way
right
it
in this
should, even though it
situation?
sucked, it was like the way that it was properly done, and that was the only way that it could have been done too.
Yeah. So I was silenced, right, guys? I wanted to reach out to you guys. Trust me, I wanted to grab every student's email and name. That way I can communicate with you guys, but I couldn't do it. I wasn't allowed to. Okay. And you know what? I don't blame the prior server for doing that. They need to protect their backend at the end of the day, right? Just like props, when props change their rules because they need to protect themselves from the back end. Whoa, from the back end. That's crazy. When they need to protect their back end, just so that people aren't full porting, grabbing all this cash flow off of them, just like Top Step, right? When they used to
Yeah.
have no consistency and you can take out every single dollar that you made. You can't do that anymore. You can only pull out 5K per account maximum, right? So same thing. They need to protect their back end. And so I was silenced. I wanted to reach out to every single one of you guys, let you guys know what was going on, and I wasn't allowed to. I got a few messages being like, "Hey, I'm really disappointed in you," and like it really did play on the heartstrings. Because I always tell John, I always tell everyone in the tickets, everyone who messages me, to me, it's not about money first. I'm not money centric,
Yeah.
right? I'm a person too. At the end of the day, I'm here to genuinely help people. Hence, why we want to do this server correctly. I'm people centric. You like that, Euro?
Yeah, trust me, he really wanted to talk about it. Sometimes you can't do what you want to do. Like when you tried entering that short.
Oh man. Oh,
Everybody good? Is everyone's API chilling?
it looks like
still show
Rams
you
is
an error?
chilling over there.
I can't even sign into Top Step. I hope I'm not in a trade. Oh god.
Oh no. I tried to block. I literally tried to lock out and it wouldn't even let me lock out. It still says attempting to reconnect.
How do I test if I'm good other than trying to enter something?
Well, try to enter on like 1 micro. Did it work?
Oh, I accidentally clicked bid. Hold on. Oh,
Oh,
wait,
you're in. You're green.
wait, hold on. Hold on, I'm green.
Hey,
I'm
eight,
printing.
eight's moving.
Printing.
200 is your PT.
Printing.
Is your first PT. If you can break through that, you are set, good sir.
Yeah, I understand. I wasn't even
So
meant to be
weird.
in
Trade
this.
Day
I was
runs
gonna
on
say
Project
the-
X and it's working fine. Yeah, it could just be a Top Step issue itself, especially since Project X is going exclusive to Top Step.
Mhm.
So I might be able to enter on my Top One Futures account. Let's see.
Problems across all firms.
Is it across all firms?
I just saw someone say that.
Oh,
I don't know where you said it, but I
minus Trade of 8 because Trade of 8 never seems to have any issues because they're so
Hmm.
goaded.
just wish they had certain things that Project X had.
I mean, they did integrate a lot of it, to be honest. Right?
Yeah, but they still don't have like it doesn't
lockout?
auto update cons, right?
Oh, like you still have to enter in with like
Yeah.
20 cons as opposed to like 5 and then it multiplies it per account.
No, like if you're in 20 and you sell 5, it won't auto
see.
change your SL.
You're
I'm printing.
printing right now, brother. How
mean,
much
I'm
are you
only-
up? 40 points?
Yeah. I mean, I'm only in one micro, but I'm out here. I'm out here and that. I'm just gonna trail this candle by candle, and wherever I'm taking out, I'm
I'm
taking
gonna
out.
refresh my Top Step, see if that works. Or if it just logs me out. All right, the screen is black.
All right, I'm not gonna refresh because I'm in a trade and I don't want to. I don't want to get locked out.
And
What are
for
the
Big
odds?
Papa locking out TS. I'm trying to. It legit did not let me lock out. It did not let me lock out Euro. I have 150K XFAs and it will not let me do anything right now. Literally, the screen is black. I am positive right now $1,100 on that account, but I can't do anything right now about it. We are still in drawdown for the top one account, the stream account, I like to call it, with a few of those losses.
Oh, Euro can't even set his lockout.
Yeah, I
They
can't
want
either.
him to keep trading.
Legit, I can't either, Euro. If anyone else is experiencing issues and you guys are not in a trade, make sure to just, play it safe, maybe just exit out or open up a Trade of 8, so on and so forth. If you guys want to open up any props with Trade of 8, make sure to use code PHUB on all your favorite props.
And that is annoying though, because that short would have made back all the losses easily.
Oh, 100%. The
That was-
short and the long. We
yeah.
called out both.
That
The
was
plays
what?
were absolutely fuego above. Or
That was a 70-point short, and then back up to 200, like another 70 points, 60 something. Hey, it is what it is. Sometimes there's things you can't control.
I'm flat, but it has me stuck on a spinning wheel. The thing is, I was trying to enter into a position, so I don't know what's going on my end.
Oh, man, I'm out of my Celsius. Did anybody here drink Celsius? Not a sponsor,
We are
but
not
if
sponsored by
if you
them.
want to, if you want to, you know,
If you
We'll take
want
it.
to, I guess. Use
I'll
code
drink
PHUB.
it. Use code PHUB on Celsius. Get 1% off.
We wish.
That'd be pretty fuego.
It is. There's that 200 test again. So it did crack 200, go up to 220, created another lower high. Let's see if we continue with this short now. We are still inside of that prior wick, as you guys can see right here. That sits at 936. So I would like to be underneath 190 for full confirmation as of right now.
How's it looking? Are you looking like you can actually enter stuff?
On top one, I just tested. I can enter, and it did go under that 190, guys. It did go under that 190. So let's see what we can do. I understand. I still want my top step though.
We all understand. Does anybody understand?
I don't understand.
So does it look fixed, or is it everyone still cooked? Oh, there's Vinny.
Yeah,
He woke up.
Mr. Civ 6. Is that you, Mr. Civ 6?
Civ 7. I heard Civ 7 sucked.
You understand, Rams?
Oh man, I'm not even gonna read that comment. I'm just kidding. Yes, I will. He said 6-7.
No. No,
I had
John,
to
no.
do it. I had to do it. I had to do. You got to do it for the culture sometimes. So don't do it. There we go. That was like a more throwback meme.
Still chilling underneath that 190, guys. I want to enter, but literally it says network issue. Try again now.
I'm in.
You're in?
What's a good
You
TP
green?
here? I am green.
I like that. I'll green.
Nice little. My entry's 204.
I'm saying.
What do I want though? I mean, it could bounce there. I already SL'd BE.
Oh, yeah. Giveaway. So everyone who is here and wants to enter the giveaway, if you guys are on the socials and want to enter into the giveaway, make sure to join the Discord. It is 100% free, zero latency. So you guys will not get any delays like you guys do on the actual socials. And you guys get to actually kick it with the community. Therefore, make sure to use that link that production just dropped on all socials. Join the Discord, turn on the server tag, and we're going to be giving away a 50K instant funded top one futures account that is $679 worth. Right now, they are running a promo.
What a deal.
Right? We're not going to cap. They are running a promo that is 57.5% off if you guys use code PHUB. If you guys do not win, make sure to use code PHUB and get yourself some accounts. Linktree, baby. Get them inside of the Discord.
Yeah, for anybody that's watching not on the Discord easily has the most benefit. You get to be in chat, talk to people, look around.
Winting.
All right, Vinny. All right, relax yourself.
What do you want?
Go play Civ.
Be upset right now. Is Sir Vinny upset right now?
I think Vinny's always upset.
That's not true. Not always.
I keep my Celsius next to my computer and it just heats up.
So then, have you ever thought of not doing that?
Well, I don't want to put it on my right, so I kind of just have to deal with it.
We are not done trading for the day. I'm trying to get a new account. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm trying to get a new account. That way I can still trade with you guys. Because my top one is just, or my
Yeah, I
Project X
was
is just not working.
I was gonna say something. Oh yeah, is anybody still having problems? Good for you. Did you check?
I'm trying to check.
I understand.
Are you green on
Understand.
account yet?
No,
Down. Let the people
280.
know. You're down
280
280
minus 280. That's like one trade easily.
easily.
I mean, we would have been green, but
Can't even
you know,
log in. I can't
woulda,
log in
coulda,
either.
shoulda.
Network error on TopStep X. That's what I'm getting as well. But it seems like other other
The props.
other props on Project X are currently working.
Yeah,
Also,
somebody said trade day was working.
hey, I just realized that whole yap when I was talking about 190 being broken went all the way down to what, 160? That is sexy. That is sexy. We're calling out bangers right now. We are calling out bangers right now.
Too bad that props don't want to work right now.
For real.
Typical top step. That's what someone said. I didn't say it.
Okay.
Is it all props? No, some props are working apparently.
Yeah.
Random.
To run. I think it's just TopStep. I'm gonna be honest.
Think so?
Yeah.
The top step lobby in their Discord is going crazy. Yeah, probably.
I do that too. As soon as there's an error or anything, I go straight to the
Yeah.
Discord just to see if it's a me issue or a them issue.
Then you see 1,000 messages
Yeah,
saying,
and
"Yo,
it makes
what
me
just
feel like a
happened?"
little better until I realized that my accounts were still blown because of a network error. And
Yeah.
guys, we are below that 180 limit got filled. And we are currently up 10 points, 12 points, 13, 15. There we go. And coming back, testing that 180. 165, that was the PT, and it did touch. What just happened?
What's going on?
I was trying to drag my PT,
Hmm.
but it was my SL that I dragged. So it
Oh.
auto closed position and I just auto entered. But it actually seemed to have been a benefit. Not yet. Let me fix what's going on here. First, let me manage this trade. I will share P&L. I'm just trying to manage this trade super quick, and then I can give you guys the update on the account.
Astro said they are gonna reset. I mean, they have done it before. They did it last time. Remember, there was that issue with top
Yeah,
step.
I just
and they
want to make
reset
sure I
all the
get to keep
accounts?
my green at least. Like it would have been green. Don't get me wrong, it
Yeah.
would have been green. But if I can at least keep my green, I will be happy.
For sure.
For sure.
For sure. When that.
You know what? When I dragged my SL and it took me out, and then I auto re-entered, I was down $195,
Okay.
right? So 5 points. And then with the auto entry, I got in at 185. So in technicality, it's balanced.
It's like nothing happened.
Technicality.
Basically, like nothing happened.
Yeah, until it breaks 200, and then something will happen. But we are scratching back on this account, guys, slowly but surely, catching those 30 points, 40 points. And right now, we are currently up 5. None. We're down 2. We're down 1. Okay, I'm not going to be that
Down 2,
annoying
down
person.
1.
We are getting super wiki right here. on both sides. Still inside of the short. I think it is the better position as of right now. SL, or I mean TP, is sitting at that 165-ish level. So let's see if that gets
If
tapped. It
this
hit
if this
before.
breaks,
I
if
just
this
didn't have it
breaks, I
set
think
yet.
it's gonna
That was
dump.
that was a me problem. Yeah. Uh, I'm literally at 167.75. So it definitely would have tapped.
If this breaks down, I think it's gonna dump like pretty
I
hard.
completely agree. I completely agree. I want to see if that could happen right here. Watch this and skadoosh. Here we go. And
Yeah.
now I can actually go
there
into
we
the
go.
settings,
There we go.
share screen. And guys, guess what? Did you enter that trade?
I got a terrible entry.
What do you mean terrible entry?
I got a terrible entry.
Guys, see, he's just like you guys. This is why we brought him on. And the account is now flipped, John. And we are now green back on stream
Flip to green.
with all of the call outs.
I understand.
Trying to get sorted still. I still have potential for an extra $200, but I'm not going to be a little dick for a tick with trying to hit PDPT. So we're just going to be patient and wait. My ET
Patience
right there
pays.
of 67 did get tapped, which I was just targeting that previous wick, right? Because it is basing right here. It could keep going into that CE. Don't get me wrong. It is gorgeous levels all the way down to 140, 150, 140. But I'm not going to be a dick for a tick. And here it goes. Let's see if we can get something. I will enter in with a single mini if we can wet this slide. Why am I talking like that? I am so sorry. I'm getting annoying.
There we go. Getting a nice
There
little
we
push.
go. More money's on
Nice
the
little
table.
push. Nice little push.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is that language? Torontonian, man.
Oi, man.
There
Nice
we
little
go,
push.
guys. We are. Oh, it was at that 155. Wow, big push off of that level. Like I said, don't be a dick for a tick. This is the range right here, guys. That's why I gave that conservative level of 167. Of 167. Giveaway is live until 10:35. So you guys have over 10 minutes. You guys have 12 minutes to be exact to go inside of giveaway. Read the rules, please. Okay.
And what are we giving away?
We are giving away a 50K instant funded account worth over $600, John. Over $600 it is worth. We are also green on this position. We are green on the accounts for the stream again. And guess what? You get to make money starting day one with this account. Over $600 worth.
Day one. Day one. Day one. $600.
All right. Enough with the accents, sir. We only have 2 participants. Everyone, make sure to go to the channel giveaway. It is absolutely free to enter. All you have to do is make sure you guys are a part of the community, which if you guys are on Discord, you guys already are here, right? If you guys are on the socials, make sure to go to the link that Rams just dropped. Get yourself inside of the Discord, turn on the server tag. It says right there, guys, you must have the server tag on, and you can't just turn it on as soon as you win. Okay, we follow the rules.
You need it on.
We abided it yesterday. We re-rolled multiple times. John was about to let someone slide, but the rules are the rules over here. You must have the server tag on. Represent P-Hub, represent everything we stand for, and I want to talk about something else after that giveaway, which is absolutely massive. And everyone here who was at the soft launch heard it and is ready. There's that 150, guys. I am closing that position. It could easily continue right here, but guess what? Your boy is at PDPT for day number 2.
Banger, baby.
Guys, $1,800 made on the account.
Dubbing that. That's how you do it.
Started off in drawdown, called out all the levels. Here is the CE with the potential bounce, and here we go. Guys, the levels were called out to the T.
Who took that? Let's see it. Who took that in chat?
Make sure to put some testimonials in chat, guys. Vinny, drop the testimonial channel. Testimonial, I'll do it.
I got it. I got it also. Oh.
Bing, bow, boom. Day 2 on the Stream Oz.
Ding, bing.
Day 2 on the Stream Oz. It is consequential
even-
encroachment.
Even with the issues, even with the props not wanting to work and you getting basically fully logged out and missing 2 banger trades, still hit it.
I don't mean to flex, but we even called
Hamper
this.
Investor said, "We need your strat." Wow.
We even called out this CE. Guys, all the levels were given in pre-market inside of premium.
It's true. I was there. All right. Simple. Let me see testimonials. I want to see it.
Don't get me wrong. This movement is trash, but the levels are the levels and the levels do not lie. Did we take some losses? Yes. It's not a foolproof plan, right? No one's going to be 100% in trading. But the point of trading is to make sure that your risk and money management is there. And guess what? We managed properly. We sized accordingly. I even made a mistake on the third entry because I added in position when it turned into an A plus setup. It still failed. And then the second one, it was still with 2 cons. I only needed 1 to turn it around. And guess what, guys? We hit our PDPT for day 2 on the streams, on our medium launch. And here we are.
2 days streak. 2 days streak.
So there we go, guys. Another 1,800 made on the stream account live with y'all.
Look at that bounce you just called too. Look at that. Look at that nice little push. James also said, "I made $300 while making my boys pancakes." Beautiful.
Let's go. James, make sure to put that in testimonials. I want to see it there. You did. I love it. Love to see it. Anyone else who made money, make sure to put it in testimonials. If you guys made any losses, put it inside of loss lessons. Or is that only a part of premium? I think it is forever. It's community. Yeah.
Yeah, it's everyone.
Yeah, it's everyone. If you guys took any losses, make sure to put it inside of loss lessons. We stay completely transparent here. So if you guys took any L's, we want to know. We want to know what you can work on. We want to know what trades you guys took, if it was an A plus setup or if you guys were just entering to enter, and whatever the case is. If you guys are looking at my chart right now, this is a 5-minute chart. You guys can see that we just bounced off our consequent encroachment, right? Which was the main thing that we were looking for. We were looking at this base as well, which was our previous structure inside of pre-market. So prior to our New York Open, if we go down into the 1-minute time frame, you guys can see we do have a nice base throughout today's session too, if I drag that along, which it just touched. John,
what's up?
What did it just touch? Right here.
CE.
There you guys go. It just touched the CE of today's session. Okay. Do I count those as high validity? No, but does it still count? Yes. Does it also align with other levels? Yes. When we're talking psych levels, John, what is there?
Right now we're at the 200 and there's 220 at. Yeah, we rejected 220, testing 200 right now.
So you're saying we had the consequent encroachment, right? We had the full OB on a shorter time frame for today's session, and then now it's trading under. Is that multiple confluences or what?
Oh my God, is that a strategy? Go crazy.
And it's not even about having necessarily like my strategy. And I keep telling I tell my students this all the time. It's not about having my strategy. It's about having a strategy that works. Because I've proven time and time again, it didn't matter what strategy I was using, I knew I was going to be successful. Because it's not about just psychology. It's not just about your strategy, but it's about how you tie it in all together. You guys have heard it before, or maybe you guys haven't. And I'll say the analogy here for anyone who goes to the gym. Maybe you guys have heard this. Everyone always says, yo, it's 80% diet, 20% training. No, it's 100% diet, 100% training. If you want to be good at trading, it's the exact same concepts. It needs to be 100% psychology and also 100% strategy. You give your all into everything that you do when you guys are trading. Treat it like a job. Treat it like a business. Otherwise, you're just gamblers inside of the casino. And guess what? The market will always win.
You got to come with a plan and then you got to follow it. That's the thing. A lot of people make plans. You know, they sit down and they write in their book, this is what I'm going to do. And then they just don't do it. And they're like, damn, why is it not working? Because you're not following the plan.
You guys are still looking at my chart. Look at where it bounced. You have that same level marked off, John?
I do.
Literally the bottom of our range. Great bounce.
Beauty clean. What time is it? 10:30. We have no more news today, right? Just want to double check.
Here we are again at that CE and the 200, guys. So watch out right here. And this is where we are trying to find what's called an equilibrium. So a balance point between buyers and sellers, supply and demand, right? We use a lot of volumetrics over here at PropHub. Once you guys can find where the scale tips, right? Whether it needs to be a lot more bearish or it needs to be a lot more bullish based off the volumetrics, then you guys can gauge exactly where you want to position yourself. Otherwise, you're playing the guessing game. You love your CEs. I do, especially when you add an A in front of it. Is that a bar or what, John?
Oh, come on. Come on. Ding.
They couldn't even see that. That was
Couldn't
just
see
for
that.
us.
That was just for us. I enjoyed it. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this poll. This is a fun poll.
While John does the poll, guys, we are almost at that time for the giveaway. It is going to end in 4 minutes. There is only 25 people who are entered inside of that giveaway. Guys, it is a free.
It's free.
A free top 1 futures 50K instant funded. Instant funded, guys. You guys can get paid right away. It is a straight to funded.
And what do they have to do to enter?
All you guys have to do is be a part of the community, turn on the server tag, and click the giveaway inside of the channel. Giveaways, pretty straightforward. If you guys are not a part of the community, make sure to join. Our link tree is right there. And also, if you guys want to sign up with any props, make sure to use code PHUB, PHUB,
PHUB.
across almost every single one of your favorite props.
Tell them about the top 1 discount one more time.
The top 1 discount, guys, is
The top one.
57.5% off. Absolutely unheard of. Their actual largest sale ever. Largest sale ever. 57.5% off. Straight to
insane.
funded. You can get a $150K account for $400, and you guys can get paid the most for a straight to funded. Did you know that, John?
I
Top
actually
1
did know that.
Futures has one of the highest paying accounts because off of a $150K account right from the get-go on payout 1, you can get $3,500. That is over an 8x return from your initial investment. And guess what? You don't have an initial investment because we're giving it to you for free. Therefore, you could have a return of 3,500x.
Yeah. Honestly, there's 61 people just in here. It should say 61 in the giveaway. Why wouldn't you just click 1 button and then maybe win something for
There
free?
is 38 people in there right now. So I don't understand why
Come on, man.
everyone isn't clicking on that. Make sure to turn on the server tag. If you guys don't know how to turn on the server tag, it literally tells you how to go get that server tag. And you guys can join the giveaway for the free Top 1 Futures account. 50K, straight to funded, instant funded.
Instantly. No waiting. Right away. Payday.
Shh, don't tell everyone. Sheesh. I know that's what King Caps was saying yesterday. It was our soft launch. There was only like 20, 30 people in here. And
Yeah.
he's like, man, you're ruining my chances by everyone flooding inside of the server. He was
And
like,
we had to roll like 4 times.
I know. And he still didn't win. King Caps, we love you. Showing you bear love. And there is the top of CE, guys, sitting right at 220. The level John just called out, the level that's been marked on my chart, the level that I gave inside of our pre-market analysis, which I even gave to stream before we started today. If anyone wants to join the membership, you guys can use our Black Friday code. It is BFPH for premium, where I will start to give out swing option trade alerts. We do have exclusive options VC inside of there, which is currently
Yes.
live. They are currently live and trading inside of there. I don't know if you can see that, John, but we do have people
I do
inside
see
of the
that.
premium trading already options. Okay. We do have small account challenges coming back. We do have Aces Futures text alerts. So all the people that have been begging for my Asia trades because I've been banging on Asia
Booking in Asia.
can now get that with the Ace Futures alerts.
It's basically like you get 2 days of trading with Ace.
But the most important thing that I wanted to emphasize for the premium was the group coaching. people will be able to join the classes bi-weekly or weekly, depending on how frequently we do them, guaranteed bi-weekly, where there will be 2 classes per month as a group. And we will break down every single thing possible. It's basically like running a mastermind for the
Yeah.
cost of premium. Imagine getting a mastermind for $100.
Pretty much. It's gonna be super worth it. I know the
Not,
people in premium are getting some sauce.
not only that, don't let me stop there, because we also do daily breakdowns with every single trade that we take.
Mm-hmm.
Every single trade that we took today could have been explained, but we're waiting until Monday for the
Yeah.
hard launch.
Yeah, we're gonna wait for hard launch to do all that juicy stuff.
And again, if you guys are a prior student of a mastermind, make sure to open up a ticket and we will get you guys sorted with a nice, juicy potential discount for you. If you are a
Ooh.
mastermind student, make sure to open up a ticket and our staff will definitely help you out. KMT just won, but do they have the server tag?
Ooh. 1 second later, he's not here. Next roll.
I don't believe he has the server tag, guys.
No tag. It's over. Reroll that.
Fair is fair over here, guys. Fair is fair.
Can I join? I want the account.
44, that's me.
Is that against the rules?
Which?
Can I join?
It's definitely against the rules. It is 100% against the rules. You are not allowed, sir.
Did we reroll?
Mm, 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 mm.
44, that's me. Who here is locked out? Who locked out of their accounts after they took their nice dub? I did do the poll. A couple
Me.
people read. Understandable. New winner, Camper. There you go. Go crazy.
Let's go.
W
Absolute
Camper in the
W. Make
chat.
sure to open up a
50K,
ticket,
instant
Camper,
funded.
and we will get you sorted. Absolute banger.
What an absolute banger account to just get like that for free.
Oh, yeah? Guess what? We're not done there.
Ooh.
We're
You
not
thought
done
we
there.
were done.
We're not done there, guys. It is day 2. We are not even hard launched yet. So if you guys found us, we appreciate you guys. We are not even hard launched yet. But guess what, John?
What? Let me hear it.
Guess how much we are already for our giveaways on day 2?
Let me guess. A couple $100?
$1,578 has already been given away on day 2, but
Of soft launch.
of a soft launch week.
It's only gonna get
Or-
crazier.
As I like to say, as my little half chub.
Oh yeah, guys, actually real quick, let me bring up something that for the new people who weren't here yesterday, we also do have a charity that we're running where every quarter we're going to choose a new charity. Well, actually you guys are going to choose. We chose the first one. We chose Sick Kids. And obviously 100% of all the money goes to the charity. We're also going to have a merch lineup coming soon. We don't have an exact date yet, but it's coming soon, and all the profits from there are also going to go to the charity. And we thought that that was something that is beautiful. Let's give back to people that don't have much, that need a little bit of help. So yeah, that's one of the main goals.
The link
Hopefully we can hit some absolute bangers,
Can
and
you
you guys
post it,
can get some
Rams?
extra money
in
to
Discord too.
give to the charity.
Link has been posted by production, so by Rams. You guys can see it right there. If you guys made any sort of money, or if you guys just wanted to be the first ones to donate, make sure to do that, because Prop Hub is going to be matching a percentage of the total amount of proceeds. That's why it is a little bit better to go through our link, because we will be giving a percentage of the total amount back as well. So you guys can do it by yourself if you guys don't trust us, which is fine. We are going to be showing live, actually, when we actually do go give it to them.
Yeah.
But if you guys don't trust us and you guys want to make sure that your money's going straight to them, just go donate. We don't hate. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
it doesn't
Like,
need to be through us. Like if you don't trust it, just go do it, and
yeah.
we'll be happy with that also.
The whole premise of this server, like I said, halfway through, is just to give back.
Uh-huh.
Whether
And
if it's to traders or whether if it's to the less fortunate or the people who really just need help, guys, we want to make sure that
Mhm.
we can be a contributing factor to the betterment of this world.
Yeah. And the reason why we think it could be fun going through us is because then we'd be able to basically track how much the community has given to charity. And I think that would be pretty cool to be able to say, like, 3 months, 6 months in, whatever. Look, this is how much that Prop Hub, the community, has been able to give to others. And we think that's really cool. So there's the links. If you want to donate, go ahead and donate. If not, it's okay. And hopefully we can hit some absolute bangers so that you guys can get a little extra money and give back.
100%. My dude is saving lives, valid excuse. Oh man, got distracted, was with a patient. Oh man, we understand. We understand. But make sure, KMT, that you also have your server tag on. Please. Please, please, please. That way, next time if you do win, you'll make sure you guarantee the win.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, 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 mm.
Who doesn't have a
Did you
server
make sure to
tag?
show all the names of the people who do donate?
Let me check.
Oh no, it literally says become the first supporter. Guys, there's not even one supporter yet. Don't make me be the first.
I'm gonna start calling some people out in chat. Let's see.
I'm supporting digitally.
Kells. Hi, Kells. How are you, Kells? Kells 858. How are you, Kells? I hope you're feeling good. Why do you not have a server tag? Hmm? Hmm? Where's the server tag, Kells? Where is it? Where is it? Who else? Cash. Cash. Any thoughts on this bounce up? Can we see 300? I don't know, Cash. Where's your server tag? I don't have any thoughts right now except for that right now. Who else? KMT. We just talked about that. And it was worse because you actually won and still didn't have it. Who else? Vinny. Honestly, I had no words for Vinny. Who else?
Vinny's actually not allowed because he does go on Top
Oh,
Step
yeah,
and
yeah,
all of that
that's
kind
true.
of
That's
stuff.
fine. That's fine. That's fine.
So he's the only exception.
What about Euro?
Euro just is technologically challenged. And it has been asking us how to turn on a server tag and still hasn't.
Artie says, "What if we go with as long as it's not someone else's server tag? Haha, like no server tag is still good." I don't mind that, but that just means you can't win any giveaways, which kind of sucks. Oh, if that counts for the giveaways? No, if for the giveaways, that's one of the required rules. But hey, if you have some other servers that you're in and you want to represent, wait, I don't understand. Why would you want nothing? Like, I understand if you have something else, but why would you want just nothing? Lots of servers. I understand. Ace, what are your thoughts?
My thoughts is I'm proud to say I'm the first donator to the charity. It is only $100, but it's to make sure that we can try to get this momentum started. I am the first donator.
W donation.
We're not forcing anyone's hand, by the way, guys. It's not like a required thing to be a part of our server. It's just something that we really want to do and try to give back into the community with
100%.
everything that we do. Where's the charity link? Right here. We'll also make a channel for it as well with everything that it stands for, what charity we actually chose, so on and so forth. But all the details are inside of the GoFundMe link. 100% of proceeds does go to the donation. We do not take a single dime, and we are going to make sure that we give a percentage off the top total. Therefore, Prop Hub, that's why you want to go through Prop Hub, is because it's going to magnify the amount that actually gets donated. We are a give back community, not a give take. Wait, what? That's so fob.
That was pretty fob.
We are a
And
give
boom.
take.
I am the second donator. Go crazy. Had to do it. Had to match that. Had to represent.
Did you not show name? Doesn't show your name. It says we've raised $341 now.
It doesn't show my name.
No, that you donated.
I saw the thing that said
Did you click it?
no.
Oh, maybe I'm goofy. Maybe you did, and maybe I'm just wrong.
I don't get it, man.
Click on the link.
Mm,
Oh, it does show your name here, where you said it.
yeah, that's what I see.
I think there's a way if you click on like the edit, you can actually show like everyone who's
Maybe
supported.
yeah. Let me log in it.
I just wanted to take my time to say thank you again, guys. I needed this account so bad. I am subbing to premium because I really need help straightening up emotion wise and such means a lot to me. Camper Investor, we love that message. And also,
Beautiful.
if you can do me a favor, Camper Investor, if you can actually take a screenshot of the account once it gets transferred over to you, and we will get that to you immediately. The
Mhm.
winner yesterday received the account within 15 minutes of stream ending. Project X is back. Okay, say no more. Are we back to trading, guys? Let me log into my Top Step and see a negative balance. Nope.
Oh yeah.
The balance
good?
is still there.
All right,
It
you're
is
good,
still
you're good.
green. No positions were entered. We are good. We are good. Oh man, that was scary. All right. So as you guys can see on stream, the top one futures account is at PDPT at 1874. We are now switching the P&L on screen over to Top Step. We are, again, I'm trying to stay transparent, show you guys whenever I switch accounts, all that kind of good stuff. And there we go. Now you guys
A
can see Top Step.
euro with the $300 donation in the charity. Let me refresh
Absolute
this.
banger. Man, I've been with
We're at 844
and
already.
Buffett.
844
And
for
Buffett.
the charity. Guys, that's $844. W Buffett again donated but not much. Hey, listen. Anything is more than welcome for the charity. That's already $844 raised for sick kids on day 2 of our basics soft launch. It's pretty fire. I actually love that. That made me happier than
Low
hitting some
Manco,
bangers today.
welcome in, baby. I'm sorry to interrupt you, John, but that person has been kicking it with me for a little while now in my DMs, always. Low Manco, welcome in. Didn't know you're here. Guess what?
What's up, brother?
We're still hidden. We're still hidden.
Yeah, we are still hidden.
We called this a medium launch because we did change all the socials now. We did say that we were going to go live at 9:15, but we never put
Yeah.
an announcement that we are currently live. Therefore, I'm
No
calling it a
announcement.
medium launch.
No,
I'm calling
no
it the half
announcement or
chub.
reminders or
The half
anything.
chub launch.
I'm not gonna.
Yeah, because
guys,
you
we're
said that you
testing
like it.
200
You said
here.
you like it. Yeah,
Guys,
look at
we're,
him in the
we're
app.
testing 25-200 here after we bounced. He called the bounce 2 at about 150.
There's the CE again. It did test underneath. I think a long might be the move here, John. As long as she can hold that CE above 205. So risking 10 points of potential. Let's see if we can do anything on these top steps. If I can scratch a little bit more, and we are going to straight close it if it hits underneath $900. Therefore, we guarantee $900 no matter what, but we give ourselves a little bit of wiggle room to make a little bit more money, John.
I like it.
I bet you do.
I can see a test of 250 again. I can't lie.
And what I used to do, and I completely forgot that I used to do it, is I used to do the full P&L of where my entry is on the actual
Oh, yeah, that's
charts. So
true.
let me start to do that for you guys. That way we can stay even more transparent. There we go, guys.
Getting a nice
8
little push
points.
here.
Yep, nice little push.
We got to break through 230.
That's what I'm looking at, John.
Mhm.
I am looking at 230. You called it out to the T, actually.
Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Oi. You got no- Hey, do we have anybody here from the UK? Does anybody have an actual accent like that? They're like, oh, I'm in NQ in that. No?
So
Okay.
205, guys. 205
You like
is
that
the
SL?
SL. So 12-point stop. Okay, 205. You know what? I'll do 204.75. Give it an extra tick. And it is currently pushing. There's 8 points. I mean, the R doesn't, it's not that crazy. It's a 1-to-1 right now, looking for 13 points of potential before I really start moving up that SL. You guys saw we were green very slightly, 10 points. And we are getting a little bit of a push down.
Little testy here, little testy.
A little testy here. And I am just slightly below that CE. which, hey, it could easily just go test and rip. Currently a back above 220, currently at 222.
Flip to green. Here we
Flips
go.
green, currently
Here we
up
go.
7 points, 8 points, 10 points, 11
Break
points.
that
And
30,
there
break
is
that 30,
PT
break
once
that 30.
again. And order filled. Trail away as you guys want. I don't know what to tell you guys. Little gains compound really quick. I was just looking for a little base hit right there. Yeah, it was only a 1.1 R. But hey,
You got something. That's okay. I actually want to talk about that. That's one thing that people try to force is R. Now, is it good to have an actual positive R, like a 1 to 2? Yes, 100%. But don't think that you have to be locked into that. Like sometimes you just got to take what the market gives you. Because how many times have you entered a trade and you're like, I know it's gonna go here, but the R is 1.5. I don't like it, and then it hits, and like you could have been in that. You could have taken that.
hey, it's been a new thing, actually. A lot of people talk about it on socials. I talk about it on socials. I get a lot of hate for it on socials. But sometimes, especially in Asia, I
Mhm.
run a negative R strategy.
Yep.
But you
Now, would
guys,
I recommend that for newer people? Probably not.
you know what? If you can actually figure out a good strategy, I would recommend it.
Oh yeah, no. If you have a
Right?
good strategy, but I'm saying like for someone who doesn't really know what's going on, maybe not. But at the same time, it doesn't take much. We're green here. I'm in this.
There
By
we
the way,
go,
still.
guys. Absolute banger
I'm in
on
at
this
220.
trade. Was in at
I'm gonna start trailing a little bit.
317. This thing is still pushing.
Actually, gonna
That's over
take one
20
off right
points,
there.
John. Over 20 points. John is still in, guys. He's using what we call the audience account. So he's basically looking at whenever I take an entry, managing it himself. So obviously, my managing is going to be different. I have different account sizes. He is using 50Ks of those top one futures accounts, which you guys can get with
All
code
right.
PHUB for 57.5%.
I just got taken out. I trailed in profit, and I'm BE on the day, which from minus 300, I'll take that.
How much?
I'm BE.
B? He's BE, guys.
Well, I'm minus $10, but that's like
BE.
that's BE.
If you were positive $10, you wouldn't say, "Hey, I'm
Yeah, I
positive
wouldn't say.
$10."
I wouldn't say. I mean, would you say I'm green though?
If you were positive 10, I personally wouldn't. What is $10 going to do to your consistency?
Would you say Rams?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
BE.
no, that's definitely BE.
Thanks, guys. Gonna head out. Enjoy the long weekend. You guys too, guys. It is Thanksgiving for you Americans. This
America.
for America this Thursday. So tomorrow, we just want to say to everyone who has tuned in, because I know we are dropping off in viewers now that we are approaching 11 a.m. EST, that we appreciate you guys so much for supporting the streams, for joining the community. Guys, there has been a massive influx of members who have stepped in now. These stages are still a bit small with only it hitting right around 80.
Yeah.
It did hit over 80, John.
With a soft launch and not even telling anybody. Some people were joining. They're like, "What? How? I didn't even know you were in here."
Legit. We are also ending stream on social. So if you guys want to join the community, make sure to use this link right here and use code PHUB to keep supporting the 100 daily free streams. 100 daily?
100 streams a day.
100% free daily streams. Use code PHUB on all your favorite props. Make sure to join the Discord. If you guys want to join premium, kick it with me, learn a few things, and also get text alerts, then you guys can definitely do so with code BFPH. You guys will get 20% off forever. Grandfathered in.
Forever, 25% off. That's beautiful. Also, guys, here again, just so you guys have the link, that's the GoFundMe. 100% of that goes to charity. And if you don't have money to donate, that's fine. But if you do, sprinkle a little bit in. That would be appreciated.
Yeah, 100%. We are not done yet on Discord, so let me keep yapping to you guys on Discord. You can end stream though on social.